Welcome to helpyourmath.com. In this video we're going to be simplifying completely, and here we have a fraction. We have a trinomial on top and a monomial on the bottom, so we have negative 9x cubed plus 27x squared minus 3x, all divided by negative 3x. Now our first step in this procedure is going to be to separate the fraction into three components. Everywhere we see an operation between terms, we're going to split the fraction. So our first term here is going to be negative 9x cubed divided by negative 3x plus 27x squared divided by negative 3x, and finally negative 3x divided by negative 3x. So our first step in this is going to be to focus on the signs, and we see here we have a negative divided by a negative. That's going to leave us with a positive term. Then we have a 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And here we have an x to the third power divided by x. So here we're going to use the subtraction rule. So we have x to the third power minus 1. In the second case here we have a positive divided by a negative, which is negative. And then we have 27 divided by 3, which leaves us with a 9. And an x to the second power minus the first power, using the division power rules for subtracting exponents. Finally, we have this final term, which is a negative divided by a negative, which gives us a positive. And finally here, these two terms, which are the same, are not going to cancel out. They're just going to reduce to 1 because they're exactly the same. 3 divided by 3 is 1. X divided by x is also 1. Right? If we were using the power rule here, it would be just x to the first power minus the first power. Now let's simplify these exponents and wrap the problem up. So here we have 3x to the second power minus negative 9x plus 1. Here we get an x to the 0, and anything to the power of 0 just leaves us with 1. So here our final solution is 3x squared minus 9x's plus 1.